So Deanna, tell Mommy, is that Bunky? Do you love your Bunky?
Hi, Bunky.
Say hi, Bunky. Oh no, take that out for a minute. Tell Mom, oh, careful. Is that your Bunky? Do you love him? Is he your beast? What is he?
Not a bee.
He's a cat. Is he a cat or a beast?
No.
Do you know?
No.
He's a cat. Bunky. Good Mommy. Hi, Bunky. Listen to him purr. People would not believe it. That's why I have to take a picture. Take that out one more time, please. Say goodnight.
Yay.
Say bye-bye.
Bye, Mommy.
Can you say Mommy?
Mommy.
Daddy?
Daddy?
Bunky?
With Bunky?
Bunky. That's your Bunky. Okay. Good night. Say good night.
Night.
Night, Bunky. Night, night.